Hey y'all, what's up? It's Stock Vibes. Today we're gonna break it down to four topics. First one, understanding the stock you purchase. Second, understanding the stock market and the system. Third, goals and gains process. Fourth thing, I'll give you some stocks that I suggest. All right, this is a little outlook of what I had today. Today was kind of slow. Didn't really gain. Didn't really lose. It went down, I think, $12, $6.92 in a day, and $6.43 after hours, which is not bad. Today was kind of slow. This is my stock I have. Everything is green, so it's actually going up. But this is everything I have right here. So the first thing I'll talk to y'all about is understanding what are you buying. When you buy a stock, you have to understand how many shares. You actually have to watch it. You just can't buy something and just I'm not gonna pay attention to it, because you might look back, it probably went up $4 or $5 and you made some gains. So you have to kind of keep an eye on it. It's kind of like you have to understand when to buy and when not to buy. Stuff drops all day. Stock goes up all day. So it's kind of a paying attention thing. If you kind of wait, you hesitant, you can lose money. If you're hesitant and you just looking at it, you don't want to buy it, you can not get money, and it goes up fast too. So you kind of just got to understand what are you buying when you buy it, and how many shares you have, and just the price of everything, and just the system. So on Robinhood, you can do 3-day trades in 5 days. What that is if you buy a stock and you sell it the same day, that's called 1-day trade. So you only can do that 3 times in 5 days, and that's business days. So if your account has 3-day trades, you can't do the fourth one, because what it'll do, it'll lock your account out. So you got to understand that. Now you can do day trades, especially if you want to cash out on a stock when it goes up, but you have to understand too, you don't want to lock yourself out, because you won't have no access to your account. The second thing, that you have to understand the stock market. The stock market opens at 8:30. So if you want to buy something, I would recommend you buy it tonight, and the order will process for 8:30. The closing time for the stock market is 3:00 p.m. So I wouldn't recommend you buy nothing after 3, because that's normally when the stock market is closing. There are some stocks, they have after hours, but normally the good stocks at 3:00, they shutting it down. So like I said, you got to understand the times when the stock market opens, and kind of prepare yourself for 8:30, or even if you want to wait till 8:30 to see what the stock market's doing. But you won't be able to buy nothing until 8:30. If you make an order tonight, it won't be processed till 8:30, or it can even be later. It all depends on the volume of the stock market. So like I said, you have to understand that, because if you buy something late, it's not gonna go through. It's not gonna process. The third thing I want to talk about is your goals. Your goals, I say you kind of set that for yourself. Just an amount of money you want to make for the month with your stock. If you want to do stock long term, you set a long term goal. You want to do a short term, you set a short term goal. It's just you kind of have to figure it out, make a system for yourself. Like I say, my system I use, I don't want to lose money. I don't want to do withdrawals out of my account. I want to just send deposits to my account, and that's normally what I'm doing. I kind of pay attention to stock. I look at the chart. Like I say, this is the chart. This is the stock chart right here. So kind of you can follow your chart for just about any stock you have. So I figure I have this one. I'll click it, I'll show you. I bought this one at $5.20 a share. It went down a little bit, but not much, to $5.13. As you can see, I still gained $11 off it today. Total return, I lost $4 off of it, which is not bad. I mean, it's not bad at all. But like I said, you have to understand this chart. I mean, like right now it's green, which is a good thing. I mean, it's still up 7.58% today. So, I mean, that's a good thing. Like I say, with stock, you kind of have to be patient. It's not really a rush thing. You don't want to rush it, like, oh, not being patient, because if you are impatient, you would lose money. Because if you keep buying stuff and you like, okay, I'm gonna sell it, it go down a few cents, and then when you do sell it, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna go back up. So I mean, you just want to have patience with it. And like I say, it's a process. So what I'm gonna do right now, I have some suggestions for y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna put a few of them in. So let's see. This is actually one that I have. I mean, this is a good one. Like I say, this is a suggestion. You just put it on your watch list. Like I said, I bought this one at $5.20. It's $5.13. I mean, throughout the day, it went up. This is where it was this morning, 477, 478. I mean, it went up. As you can see, it went up. Chart kind of been the same the whole day. I mean, the most it went up when I had it was like 5.30, and it went back down. I have another one for you. Here you go. This is a cheaper one. If you looking to buy a cheaper stock, like I said this morning, this one's actually up 27.67%, and after hours it went up 10.22%. So I mean, it's actually on a good pace to do something. Like I said, this morning it started off at about 281, finished out at 356, and I think it even went higher than that, and it went back down. So normally when they take that dip, that's a good thing for you. So I mean, I'll suggest this one. I have another one. This is another one, another good one. Like I said, it started off right here, 210. It finished. It actually went to the highest was. This is the highest. It's 267. Like I said, it's actually been going up all day. It's up 27%, 5.12% after hours, and like I said, it's 267 a share. Like I say, that's just something I think you should just put on your watch list. Other than that, thank y'all for subscribing. Stock Vibes, y'all have a good one.